Dear students, today we will practice multiple choice questions with brief explanations on the topics: major schools of psychology, behaviorism, Gestalt psychology, and psychoanalysis. You are requested to watch the entire video as it contains brief explanations for the answers to the questions. Let's begin. 1. Which of the following principles is central to Gestalt psychology? A. Behavior is learned through conditioning. B. Parts observable behavior is the only valid data for psychology. C. Childhood experiences shape personality. D. The whole is greater than the sum of its. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: D. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Explanation: Gestalt psychology focuses on perception and argues that the mind organizes sensory data into meaningful wholes. 2. The concept of the unconscious mind was introduced by A. B.F. Skinner, B. Sigmund Freud, C. Wilhelm Wundt, D. Max Wertheimer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: B. Sigmund Freud. Explanation: Freud's psychoanalysis introduced the idea of the unconscious mind, which influences thoughts, feelings, and behavior. 3. Defense mechanisms are a concept from which school of psychology? A. Behaviorism, B. Gestalt psychology, C. Psychoanalysis, D. Humanistic psychology. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: C. Psychoanalysis. Explanation: Freud introduced defense mechanisms as unconscious strategies to reduce anxiety and protect the ego. 4. Who among the following emphasized reinforcement and punishment in learning? A. Sigmund Freud, B. B.F. Skinner, C. Max Wertheimer, D. Carl Rogers. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: B. B.F. Skinner. Explanation: Skinner expanded behaviorism with operant conditioning, focusing on reinforcement and punishment. 5. The phi phenomenon demonstrated by Gestalt psychologists refers to A. Perceiving motion from static images, B. The unconscious mind's role in perception, C. Conditioning responses through repetition, D. The impact of reinforcement on learning. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: A. Perceiving motion from static images. Explanation: The phi phenomenon, discovered by Max Wertheimer, showed how we perceive apparent motion, contributing to Gestalt principles of perception. 6. According to Freud, the id operates on which principle? A. Reality principle, B. Pleasure principle, C. Perception principle, D. Cognitive principle. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: B. Pleasure principle. Explanation: The ID seeks immediate gratification of desires and operates on the pleasure principle. 7. Behaviorists argue that psychology should focus on A. Unconscious motives, B. Perceptions as organized wholes, C. Observable and measurable behaviors, D. Subjective introspection. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: C. Observable and measurable behaviors. Explanation: behaviorism emphasizes empirical data and avoids studying subjective phenomena. 8. Freud's psychosexual stages focus on A. Conditioning processes, B. Perceptual organization, C. Developmental conflicts in specific body zones, D. Behavioral reinforcement. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: C. Developmental conflicts in specific body zones. Explanation: Freud's theory describes stages where different body zones are sources of pleasure and conflict. 9. In Gestalt therapy, the focus is on A. Resolving unconscious conflicts, B. Analyzing conditioned behaviors, C. Reinforcing desirable behaviors, D. Awareness and integration of present experiences. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: D. Awareness and integration of present experiences. Explanation: Gestalt therapy emphasizes living in the present and integrating thoughts, feelings, and actions. 10. Which Gestalt principle states that similar elements are perceived as a group? A. Proximity, B. Similarity, C. Continuity, D. A closure. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: B. Similarity. Explanation: The law of similarity explains how objects with shared characteristics are grouped together in perception. 11. Which method is not used in behaviorism? A. Introspection, B. Experiments, C. Reinforcement schedules, D. Behavioral observation. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: A. Introspection. Explanation: Behaviorism rejects introspection as unscientific and focuses on observable behaviors. 12. Which behaviorist conducted the Little Albert experiment? A. John B. Watson, B. B.F. Skinner, C. Ivan Pavlov, D. Edward Thorndike. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: A. John B. Watson. Explanation: Watson conditioned fear in a child, demonstrating classical conditioning in humans. 13. The Gestalt principle of proximity suggests that A. Objects close to each other are grouped together, B. Similar objects are perceived as a unit, C. We complete incomplete figures, D. Perception depends on reinforcement. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: A. Objects close to each other are grouped together. Explanation: Proximity explains how spatial closeness affects grouping in perception. 14. Behaviorism rejects the study of A. Observable behavior, B. Learning through reinforcement, C. Perception as a whole, D. Mental states and consciousness. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: D. Mental states and consciousness. Explanation: Behaviorism focuses exclusively on observable phenomena, avoiding mental processes. 15. Which school of psychology is most associated with the idea that all behaviors are learned through interaction with the environment? A. Gestalt psychology, B. Behaviorism. C. Psychoanalysis. D. Cognitive psychology. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Behaviorism. Explanation. Behaviorism emphasizes the role of environmental stimuli in shaping behavior, rejecting innate factors. 16. According to Gestalt psychologists, which principle explains how we perceive patterns and organized wholes. A. Operant conditioning. B. Structuralism. C. Gestalt laws of organization. D. Defense mechanisms. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. Gestalt laws of organization. Explanation. Gestalt psychologists proposed laws such as proximity, similarity, and closure to explain perceptual organization. 17. Sigmund Freud believed that the majority of mental activity occurs in the conscious mind. B. The preconscious mind. C. The unconscious mind. D. The superego. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer C. The unconscious mind. Explanation. Freud argued that unconscious processes drive behavior, thoughts, and emotions. 18. B.F. Skinner's concept of reinforcement emphasizes that A. Behavior is shaped by unconscious desires. B. Rewards and punishments influence behavior. C. Perception is organized into meaningful wholes. D. Childhood conflicts determine personality. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Rewards and punishments influence behavior. Explanation. Skinner's operant conditioning theory highlights reinforcement as a mechanism for learning. 19. In Freud's theory, the superego represents A. Instinctual desires. B. The moral and ethical part of the personality. C. The reality principle. D. Perceptual organization. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. The moral and ethical part of the personality. Explanation. The superego is the aspect of personality that internalizes societal and parental standards of morality. 20. The Gestalt principle of continuity suggests that A. Similar objects are grouped together. B. Objects are seen as continuous patterns. C. We complete incomplete figures. D. Behavior is reinforced over time. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Objects are seen as continuous patterns. Explanation. The principle of continuity explains how the mind perceives elements as part of a continuous flow. 21. According to Freud, the ego operates on which principle? A. Pleasure principle. B. Reality principle. C. Continuity principle. D. Cognitive principle. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer B. Reality principle. Explanation. The ego balances the demands of the ID and superego while considering the constraints of reality. 22. According to Freud, unresolved conflicts in the unconscious mind can lead to A. Neurotic behavior. B. Cognitive dissonance. C. Operant learning. D. Perceptual disorders. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer A. Neurotic behavior. Explanation: Freud believed that unresolved unconscious conflicts manifest as anxiety or neurotic behavior. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.